Hi, in this video, we will see do while in Java. Okay, how exactly do while will work. The do while loop is used to iterate a part of the program many times, as we have seen the same thing in while. So it is very similar to while with some differences. So if you want to execute a block of code multiple times, then you can use do while. If the number of iteration is not fixed and you must have to execute the loop at least once, it is recommended to use do while loop. And you are not sure how many times you want to execute, but at least you want to execute one time. Then you can use do while loop. In while loop, condition is evaluated before the execution of the loop's body, but in do while loop, condition is evaluated after the execution of loop's body. Okay, it is the bit different. First, at least one time it will evaluate and executes. In the while, after condition only, it will go inside this. Okay, so that is the difference between these two. So with the help of one example, we'll try to see this. So do while demo, the same thing. I need to print 1 to 5 numbers. So here int I is equals to 1. Now do. Okay, do what you want to do. System dot out dot println, you just print the I. After that, you do the I plus plus, same thing what you did in the while. But after come out of the do, you need to write while here. Now you need to write the condition here, I less than 6. And you need to terminate with semicolon. Right? In the while, in where we have written do, there only we have written while previously. Right? But whatever we have written in the while have moved into do, but the while condition came out and it is terminated with the semicolon. Okay, so because of this, it is executing sequentially. I is equals to 1. Do come inside this. There is no condition to verify. Just come inside this. Print the I value 1. I plus plus 2. Then it will verify 2 less than 6. Yes, 2 less than 6. Execute this. 3. 3 less than 6. Execute. 4. 4 less than 6. Execute. 5. 5 less than 6. Execute. 6. 6 less than 6. No, don't execute this do block and come out of that. Okay. So now, if you see executing this, so go to this Java do while demo.java. You see that it is printing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But if I change this 1 to 6, now what happens? It will print the 6 and then 6 less than 6 false. So it will not go, means at least one time it is executing. So if you execute the same thing, it will print 6 and come out of that. You see, that's how it will execute at least once. That is the difference between do while and while. Okay, if you mention 5, right, it will print the 5 less than 6, no problem, 5, and then it will come out of that loop after 5. You see, if you make it 4, then it will print 4, 5, and it will come out of the loop. You see, but if you make 6 false condition also, at least one time it will execute, 6 will print. So that is the difference between while and do while. Okay, so this is what very similar to while, but this do block will execute at least once. So if you go back to this PPT, what could be the possible interview questions? What is do while loop in Java? And they may ask, what is the difference between while and do while? Okay, with the help of one program, you can explain. Okay, that's all in this video. Thank you.